There are odds against Nigerian marriages in America. Nigerian couples do not plan to fail in marriage, especially when they migrate to America. But America has a way of testing every relationship, especially relationship in marriages. Hello, my friends. My name is Pastor Ropotusi, and I welcome you once again to the Nigeria in America podcast.
Walking with purpose, rising with grace, faith and family, we find our place. Talking rich, our roots run deep. Nigeria in America, no dream to see.
We started a video by talking about odds against Nigeria in America who are married. In other words, marriages by Nigerians who migrated to America. What are the challenges they are facing? Today, we are going to be looking at unforgiveness as a major odd against the marriages of Nigerians who live in America. Many people don't let go of what has happened in Africa. The challenges, or let me say, the fact is that an average woman who is a Nigerian believe that their husband is just oppressing them. I don't know where this comes from. And this can be a cultural thing when you just realize that when you are in Nigeria, it's like the wife doesn't have a voice. Sometimes the husband have mistresses, side chicks, whatever you call it, concubines. And guess what? The wife does not really have a voice. Sometimes you even realize that there are men who abuse their wives verbally or maybe physically, and people overlook it, people let it go. Just in a matter of time. As time goes on, the wife can begin to harbor unforgiveness, bitterness can begin to creep in. And don't forget this, that it's not only men who oppress their wife, even wives do oppress their husband. There are husband beaters also. People beat their husband, people who abuse their husband. So it can happen both ways. And once it has happened in Nigeria before they migrate, you realize that they carry it forward. And it's like, well, I know it's your time. I know you are the one in charge here in Nigeria. When we get to America, where there is equality and where police can get involved, where I can call the law to work against you, people wait for that opportunity. Mistakes are not forgiven. People still remember the emotional challenges they used to have. So unforgiveness hardens the heart, and a heart that is hardened cannot sustain a healthy marriage. So before you know it, the vengers creeping. So they want to revenge. They want to get it back, whatever they have lost. They want to prove a point. They just want to have a life that they didn't have before. And this unforgiveness, we have a voice at last. And the voice of unforgiveness and bitterness is normally divorce at the end of the day. I hope this will help you to know that you need to put behind what happened in Nigeria. You need to put behind all the hurts in Nigeria. The reason you migrated to America in the first place is so that you can have a new beginning. Will you let the new beginning reign? Will you let the new beginning hold forth? You can only do that if you will let go of the past. Whatever happened in Nigeria, let it die in Nigeria. Let God give you a new beginning in America. Join us in our next video as we rise above all these odds that plague Nigerian marriages in America. My name is Ropotusi.
My updated Afrobeat, joyful, bills to miss, talking dreams.